And before we race, we're going to do the obligatory carwow sound check. So let's do it. Oh, listen to that. Oh yeah, no rev limiters here. Let's have a listen to that Chevy. That's nice, that is. That Chevy sounds quicker than this car. Don't know whether it will be in reality, but from noise alone, I think it's winning. Let's have a listen to the Dodge. Sounds the same as the Chevy. Let's rev them all together in one big symphony of American muscle car V8-ness. Go on, rev, guys. Oh, this is my kind of orchestra. I don't know why I'm doing this with my body. It's weird.